What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 60 free stocks, Moo is going to give you up to 60 free stocks when you open a new Moo brokerage account. When you put $100 in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 5 free stocks. If you put $2,000 in that new brokerage account, they're going to give you 25 free stocks. If you put $5,000 in your new Moo brokerage account, they're going to give you 60 free stocks. Limited time offer, so don't delay, act today. Get down to that description box, click on that Moo link, open up that Moo account, go get the free stock, go get the free money. I will also send you 2 Moo tutorial videos to walk you through how to use the Moo brokerage app. All you got to do is send me a DM through my website, www.richardfain.net. Let me know you've opened the Moo account, you funded it, and I'm going to send you out 2 Moo tutorial videos so that you can finish 2025 with some cash in your pocket. Guys, today was an amazing day in the stock market. We're almost at 6,000 points in the S&P 500, which is amazing considering a month ago we were below 5,000 points. What changed? Well, we got renewed optimism in our economy and in our stock market. We got the April CPI inflation report today, and it came in better than expected. Headline inflation came in at 2.3%, and it was expected to come in around 2.4%, so it beat expectations. Core inflation came in at 2.8%, which was in line with what experts thought it would come in at. So yes, man, it looks as though inflation is still coming down in the month of April. Now, a lot of people are saying, hold your horses, man. We won't really see inflation go up until June, July, and August. That's when we will get the full weight of the tariff war. And that might be so, guys. But today was a good day for the CPI inflation report for April. Here's the headline. The S&P 500 rose Tuesday, clawing back into positive territory for the year as investors extended the sharp gains seen in the previous session due to easing U.S.-China trade tensions. The broad market index gained 0.72% to close at 5,886 points, while the NASDAQ composite climbed 1.61% and ended the day at 19,010 points. The Dow Jones Industrial Average lagged, losing 269 points or 0.64% as a nearly 18% drop in shares of United Health pressured the benchmark. Shares of NVIDIA advanced 5.6% today, guys. NVIDIA at one point was over $130 per share. When was the last time we saw that? It's been a minute, right? So renewed optimism for NVIDIA. It looks as though they're getting ready to ship out 18,000 top artificial intelligence chips to Saudi Arabia. That's amazing, man. That tells us they're back and back and back. I keep telling y'all, $200, $300, $400, $500 per share at some point in the future. I am very optimistic when it comes to NVIDIA. So the market did really well, guys. 2 reasons. Inflation coming down in the month of April. And why is April such a big deal? Because that was Liberation Day was April 2nd. April 3rd, the bottom fell out of the stock market, right? Because of Liberation Day, the tariff war officially started. So a lot of people thought April CPI would come in, hotter than expected, but it did the reverse. That was good news for the markets. Alongside the de-escalation of the trade war between China and the United States. Why? We are the two largest economies in the world. If we're in a trade war, it's going to affect the globe. So when you de-escalate that trade war, we'll see what the final result is. But for now, it's being de-escalated. Both China and the United States are agreeing on that. So those two things there, guys, was good news. Now, yesterday, I had a wonderful day in FCF. Made about $11,500 yesterday. I basically stayed on the sideline today because everything was green and I didn't want to chase the rally. Now, I was able to slip in there and make about $1,000 on a little quick 5-minute flip. But that's about it for me today. So over the last 3 trading days, here's what I've done. On Friday of last week, which was May 9th, I did about $7,500. On Monday, May 12th, I did $11,500. And then on Tuesday, May 13th, I did about $1,000. So you add it all up, I'm close to about 20 grand for the last 3 trading days, guys. I love the stock market because it gives me the ability to be able to take my cash and multiply it instantly. I love that through my short-term investment strategy, AKA FCF, AKA free cash flow. So let me tell you guys, if you're not taking advantage of this opportunity to build yourself some wealth, you better get yourself in gear. No one is going to knock on your door and hand you a check for $1 million. Nobody. What you're going to need to do is come up with you a game plan where you're going to take the money that you're currently earning, your active income, and you need to start putting it in something that can create passive income. That's what I take my wealth builders through in my Wealth Builders Financial Community. We talk about that very thing, how to take our active income and turn it into passive income. So, hey, if you're a person that's looking to grow your wealth, if you're a person that's looking to take your active income and put it in something that will create passive income, you should think about joining my financial community on Patreon. We're called the Wealth Builders. We got over 2,000 wealth builders in our financial community in less than a little over a year. Why is that? Because people are tired of being in the matrix alone with no help, no guidance, nobody to talk to that has success at this stuff. And I'm not saying I'm an expert because I'm not. I'm just a guy that's been doing this for 30 years and I take the common sense approach to building wealth. I don't need a lot of fancy gadgets, a lot of charts and diagrams. What I do is I just go look at the companies and I say, okay, this company is a good company. Why can I say that? Because I look at the historical performance of the company, right? The historical performance will tell me exactly what this company is made up of and potentially what it could do in the future. And remember, the stock market is about what? Going up. It's the #1 asset class in the entire world, above gold, any other precious metal, above real estate. It's above everything. It's the #1 asset class in the world. About $55 to $56 trillion in that asset class, #1 in the world. So in my opinion, we may have some bumps. It may be a little bit of a roller coaster, but at the end of the day, the roller coaster goes up. So that's what I try to make sure the people that I rock with and rock with me understand. So if you're interested in that, second link down in the description box is my website link, www.richardfain.net. Click on that website link. It'll take you over to the website. And then when you get into the website, look for the join button or the membership button. Click on it. It'll take you to Patreon. And then all you got to do is sign up and come join us. We'd love to have you. Like I said, if you want 60 free stocks, Moo is willing to give you up to 60 free stocks, guys, depending upon the deposit that you make. All directions are down in the first link of the description box. That's where the link is for the Moo offer. Go check out that offer. If you're interested in it, click on it, sign up, put you some money in there and get your free stock. But better yet, now you're ready to take advantage of opportunities to build you some wealth with paper assets. So go get that free stock, go get that free money. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness, never stop believing in yourself, stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.